idea is to encourage the Malaysian youth and the Malaysian public generally at that time to get acquainted and familiarize themselves with the public train system that is based in the city. So the catch or the novelty of it is that everybody goes on board in a flash mob wearing a sarong, donning a sarong in whatever way. So that's why they call it Keretapi Sarong. So you see a mob of people walking around in sarongs in whatever fashion or style, and then just go on and then just explore certain train routes.
I've not been able to join it before, but this is my first time joining it. So it says wear your best sarong in the best possible way. So I come up with this. I think
He came out with our kain puak.
this is kain puak kumbu motifs. So I put together 3 sarongs and make it into this, what do you call it, cardigan?
A cardigan.
Long cardigan.